Hey, Akhil here. Welcome to the Browser Agent Review. This is a brand new system that converts complicated digital tasks and browser workflows into fully automated, profit-pulling assets in 3 simple process steps. This is a product by Abid Vivedi, and we are going to take a deep look at exactly what we are going to get inside. In this video, I'll talk about the product itself, how the system exactly works, and, most importantly, the missing gaps I've found in the system and how my exclusive bonuses fill those gaps to get you ultimate results. I'll be 100% transparent about what this is, so you can decide for yourself whether you want to pick it up. Now, we have to address the service delivery fatigue technical setup bottleneck. As per Google data, the biggest killer of digital agency and online business success is the exhausting manual grind of constantly clicking, researching, data extraction, and trying to stitch multiple software tools together. You spend days setting things up and micromanaging tasks instead of actually scaling your income and signing clients, and 90% of marketers fail to scale because they get overwhelmed by the daily tech grind or run out of budget on paid ads. Browser Agent claims to completely solve this by giving you a pre-built, automated system that launches optimized AI browser missions and drives results on complete autopilot. Let's see if it actually delivers. Now, let's talk about who is behind this. This is a product from Abid Vivedi. If you know this industry, you know Abid Vivedi is a top 1% top-tier vendor who has already sold over 109,017 plus products with almost a 3.5 rating for all his products. When you buy a product from a profile with this kind of track record, you aren't gambling, you're investing in a proven system that works. Martin Crumlish recently used this and said, "I deployed 3 micro-campaigns using this automated pilot system and just let it run. It crossed $1,400 in agency commissions in less than 2 weeks without me writing a single line of copy or building a single page myself." After 5 years in the marketing trenches, I don't hype up software unless it solves a massive bottleneck in daily operations. The core expertise of Browser Agent isn't just basic link wrapping. It is a streamlined virtual affiliate studio. Here is how you actually activate this automated affiliate system inside the cloud-based dashboard. It takes just 3 simple process steps. Step 1. Select a mission, log into the dashboard and pick an autonomous browser mission from the extensive built-in library of ready-to-execute digital tasks. Step 2. Let the agent auto-build. The advanced system automatically maps out the browser automation, hooks up the necessary data feeds, and preloads your execution steps instantly. Step 3. Deploy route traffic. Click Activate to deploy your new pilot asset and utilize the built-in free organic traffic strategies to drive continuous buyer loops on complete autopilot. But if you think, does deploying automated affiliate systems without any tech skills or massive ad budgets actually drive real marketing results and sustainable traffic? Let's look at the data. Take Neil Napier. I plugs organic traffic loops straight into these replicated funnels. This exact framework allowed me to capture hundreds of clean buyer leads and secure $3,200 in backend sales completely on autopilot while the system handled 100% of the email nurturing. Then there's Paul O'Keefe. I escaped the exhausting manual grind of stitching landers and email tools together. Using this single cloud dashboard, I launched 5 distinct affiliate campaigns in one afternoon, pulling in $2,100 in hands-free payouts while running silently in the background. Now, I promised 100% transparency. There are 3 big gaps I found in the product that you need to know about. You know, every software comes with its own problems, and I'm going to share those with you openly. But here is the good news. I've already engineered the solution for every single one of them. The client conversion speed gap. The platform automates browser tasks flawlessly, but it lacks an immediate, fast-track roadmap to translate those automated browser missions into your first client and real revenue payouts within your very first week. The outreach copywriting gap. You can generate amazing automation assets, but the core system doesn't hand you the precise communication scripts required to effortlessly attract and secure interested buyers without tedious manual messaging. The offer structure gap. The dashboard runs smoothly and executes tasks perfectly, but it misses ready-to-go, pre-formulated service packages to help you bundle your automation workflows into irresistible, high-ticket agency offers. Most people fail because they have the car, the software, but no engine, the strategy. That's why my bonuses are critical. I've designed these bonuses to fill those gaps. To destroy the client conversion speed gap, you get bonus number 1, the first 507 days blueprint, paired alongside the red carpet profit fast start training. This gives you an over-the-shoulder video masterclass showing you exactly how to land your very first client this week and scale to a fast $500 payout. To crush the outreach copywriting gap, you get bonus number 2, the client getting swipe pack, a high-converting collection of copy and paste scripts and conversion templates engineered to turn cold prospects into high-paying retainer clients hands-free. To eliminate the offer structure gap, you get bonus number 3, the plug-and-play service offers framework, pre-packaged offer frameworks and pricing structures that let you turn your automated browser missions into premium commercial services instantly. Not only this, vendor is giving you more premium assets including the commercial rights certificate to legally sell these automated tasks, access to a private members community, and absolute peace of mind since there are no API keys, no credits, and no monthly fees required to run the system, and my bonuses are the missing pieces of the puzzle. They ensure that your investment in Browser Agent actually produces an ROI instead of just sitting on your hard drive. Finally, let's talk about risk. You don't have to risk a single penny of your hard-earned money today. Ubit is offering a full 30-day money-back guarantee. If you get inside, try it out, and decide it's not for you, just send a support ticket and they'll refund you 100%. No questions asked. This means the risk is entirely on them to prove the software works. You have everything to gain and nothing to lose. Click the link down in the description right now to lock in Browser Agent, to save $500 every month and claim my exclusive, gap-filling VVIP bonus package, and automate your video marketing today. I'm Akil, and I'll see you on the inside.